Good evening Go Animate City residents, this is an emergency weather report. We are now about to experience extreme snow, which will go up to 100 feet in height in only 2 hours. We advise everyone to stay inside for the time being until this snowstorm clears up. This is a Go Animate City News emergency weather report. Thanks for watching. Now back to your regularly scheduled programming.
Oh no, my mom is outside running and exercising. I have to go find her and save her from the snowstorm before it's too late. Mom, we have to hurry home right now. There is a huge snowstorm on the way. We have to go now.
Oh no, here comes the snow Gumball. Great job Gumball for saving me from that snowstorm. You were so ungrounded. Let's go have some hot cocoa.